Realme Narzo 9i launch date is set to be on May 22, 2022. The mobile will be available in various of colors. Let's see the details of this phone. The company continue to make new devices to the lineup, which is called Narzo 9i. This phone has a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with 1080 by 2460 pixels resolution. The screen pixel density of 407 ppi and punch hole layout. This device running on Realme UI version built over Android 11 out of the box. Narzo 9i is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 680 chipset processor. This phone is powered by an Adreno 610 GPU. The Realme Narzo 9i support 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via dedicated card slot. This smartphone are handled by a triple camera setup at the back. 50 megapixels wide-angle primary sensor with f1.8 aperture plus 8 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.4 aperture and a 2 megapixels depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. On front, this phone has a 16 megapixels wide-angle lens with f2.05 aperture for selfie and video calls. The Realme Narzo 9i is packed with 5000 mAh battery with supports 33-watt fast charging support via micro USB port. Other features on the phone are side-mounted fingerprint sensor, infrared, face unlock, headphone jack, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, 4G volt, infrared, GPS, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass and gyroscope. What do you think about this phone? Leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as well as press the bell button to be notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.